Hey guys, welcome back to Andro tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create this cool video inside text effect. Yeah, the one you're seeing right now on screen. This kind of edit looks super clean and professional, right? It's perfect for intros, title screens, or even short promo videos. The best part, you can make it easily on your phone using CapCut or any simple editor. So if you want to make your video stand out with that dynamic text reveal, stick around and I'll walk you through the steps in a simple way. All right, let's start creating this effect. To make the video inside text edit, you'll need two videos. One is your text video with a black background, and the other is the main video that will appear inside the text later. First, let's make the text video. Open CapCut and create a new project. Then choose a black background. You can easily find it in the CapCut library. Next, add your text. Make it white and choose a bold font so it really stands out. Adjust the size and position so it fits nicely in the center of your screen. Now we're going to add keyframes for the zoom effect. Add your first keyframe at the start of the clip. Then move forward on the timeline and add a second keyframe, this time zooming in the text, until one letter fills the entire screen. Once you're happy with the movement and duration, go ahead and export this video. We'll use it in the next step. Now let's move on to the fun part, combining both videos. Still in CapCut, create a new project and add your main video, the one you want to appear inside the text. Next, tap on Overlay and import the text video we just made earlier. Resize it so it completely covers the screen, edge to edge. With the overlay still selected, go to the Splice menu and choose the Darken Blend mode. And boom, your main video will now play inside the text. You can tweak it a bit, adjust the timing, trim the clip, or even add some extra effects or color filters to make it pop. Once everything looks good, go ahead and export your video. And that's it. Your video inside text effect is ready. Pretty cool, right? It's clean, modern, and super easy to make. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Andro Tutorial, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.